I bought more crap. So there are Shein packages and Temu packages. And this was just some random stuff that when I should have been asleep, getting, all prepped and rested for work, I was scrolling on my phone, spending money I don't have. So I figured let's share everything that I got that's random, fun, cutesy little stuff, hopefully. I don't fully remember everything I got, but we're gonna find out together. So let's start with the first one. This was from Shein. I took it out of the bag because I didn't know what it was, but that's what this was from. I do know what this one is, and I'm very excited for it. It's because I opened it thinking it was something else for another video, but I'm so excited. Okay, decor, which might be what everything is, or at least most of the stuff. Look at it. It's one of those little ceramic balloon dogs, and I'm obsessed. I got this one, which was matte black, and it's nice, solid, heavy duty, it feels like. And it was like so cheap too. I don't even remember. I'll try to put the prices of everything I got up here. It was cheap. I'm so excited to put this on one of my floating shelves, and I'm hoping I can find like a little Santa hat that can go on him so I don't have to put him away for Christmas. He can just become Christmas, but he's so cute. Okay, starting off with the bang. Let's move on. I'm gonna stick with the Shein stuff and then we'll go to Temu. There are some things in here though, I believe, that are Christmas presents for some people, so I won't be showing that because I don't trust the people I tell not to watch it to not watch it. So we just won't show it. Oh my gosh, yes. Okay, this, another decor piece. I'm a little behind on some of these trending things, but it's because, it takes a minute to save up and figure out where you want stuff. It's like one of these ceramic vases. This is also going to be for, I think, one of my floating shelves. Like, they're going to go together. Not next to each other, but they're both going to go on the same floating shelves. And it looks really nice, and it's this like cream beigey color. I'm obsessed. This is going to be perfect. I don't know if I'll put something in it or not. We'll see down the way. Next, what is this? This is also for the floating shelves. I was specifically at one point shopping for my floating shelves because I just got them up recently. Right now they are partially decorated for Halloween, which I need to change over to Christmas, but this is for the non-Christmassy times. It's one of these letter boards. I got one that is black with a frame that is like wood with white letters. I think that's gonna look so good up there. My floating shelves are black, by the way. Eventually I will show them in a room tour, but my room is still up in the air. I don't want to tour it yet. Here it is. So I don't know if I'm gonna have it like this or like this. Probably like this on the very top, but here it is with all the white letters. I'm excited. I don't know what kind of stuff I'm gonna put on it, but we'll figure something out. Next, this is also for the shelves. Alright, so far I'm impressed with the quality of these things from Shein. Not as crappy as I expected it to be. Okay, I am obsessed with these leaves. I have some faux ones of these, but like green, in a vase on my desk. I just love these tropical, I don't know what they're called, but I'm obsessed. And this is gonna look so cute up there. If you can't tell, my theme is kind of black, white, and gold-ish with some variety, like green. Green's the accent color and love it. But this, I'm excited. I don't even know what this is. Ooh, need to calm down. Something else for my shelves. I don't think I have enough room for all of this up there, but we'll see. Ooh, okay, it's this cute little gold photo frame. I put something in there and it has this like clear border, and I'm excited. I don't know what photo I'd use, but we will think of something. Whether I print something off the internet or use one of my own photos, I don't know, but I think this is really pretty, tying in the gold. Okay, this is a gift for somebody, so we're not gonna look at it. Oh, this is a practical purchase. It's one of these like Velcro strip things that help keep cords together, like you tie it around, and yeah, I just needed to organize that drawer that has all of the cords and stuff, so that's what this is, a practical purchase. Last thing in here, Oh yeah, another practical purchase. So I'm wanting to like help my cord situation under my desk, and so I got these things that will help hold it to the wall like in the corner and stuff, and they're clear so they won't be like super noticeable. So yeah, practical again. Okay, now let's move on to some Temu packages. I really don't remember. I feel like I got a lot of gifts in this one, but we'll see. They stuffed it to the brim, my goodness. This first thing I'm going to pull out is a gift. Oh, these are black sticky notes. I am trying to make my desk like nice and aesthetic, and again, I love black and white, so I got some black sticky notes. I just need to get some of those white pens, but that's down the road. So cool. Oh, this is stupid, but I couldn't help it. So, you know, I like all things black. Holy crap! This thing is so long. I didn't know it was that long. I got a black Santa hat. Yes, it's gonna be very on brand for me. Oh my gosh, this is hilarious. Look how long this thing is. I had no idea it was this long. This is ridiculous. I love it though. I've never even seen one. I just like accidentally came across it and I'm like, a black Santa hat? Yes. Okay, let's keep going. Ooh, okay, this is something I'm so excited for. I'll have to show a clip of it like on. Hopefully it works. Oh my gosh. This is gonna be, if it works, so cool. Okay, hold on. I want to throw that across the room, but not in case I need to box it up. Oh, okay. It's this thing, aromatherapy machine is what they call it. I think, if I remember correctly, oh gosh, I guess you put water in it and like scent stuff, and I think it's gonna look like a little fire. And I think this is going to be so freaking cool, either like on my desk or on my nightstand or something. Yeah, look at it. That is so cool. I will show now what it looks like. Hopefully it works. If not, then I'll just show you the listing picture of what it's supposed to look like. But I have high hopes for this, but I probably need to level them because this is Temu, so who knows. Next. Ooh, I wonder if this is a gift for someone. I hope not, so I want to be able to show you what it is, but I have no idea what it could be. Oh no, this isn't. It's a little late, but I saw it way cheaper here than I saw anywhere else. So I had to get it, and I'll use it next year. Like, we're past the time now. But the viral ghost mug, look at it. Oh, it's perfect quality. I mean, like, this is way cheaper than like online and other places like Amazon and stuff. So I don't understand how, because it's perfect. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Look at her. Ah! Okay, that's for next year. Ugh, I'm making a mess. Okay, I think some of these are gifts. Let's see. Oh my gosh. This is 100 times smaller than I thought it was gonna be. All right, you can't really see it because there's like stickers, but it was this little like flip calendar that was supposed to sit up and go like on one of my shelves or my desk. I thought it was gonna be like this big. It's this big. So no, that's not what it's gonna, no. These, okay, this is kind of a practical purchase, kind of a practical purchase, but also not like super necessary. But I've been wanting plain black scissors forever, and I got some on Temu. Ooh, they actually feel kind of nice. I really like them because they're like matte black, and that's, you know, that's right up my alley. So now when I open packages and stuff, I can use these. Yay. I also got some enamel pins because I collect them. Okay, so I got this butterfly that also has the semicolon. If you know, you know, and I love it because it's also green. Then I got this. This year I became obsessed with Gilmore Girls. I finally watched it all the way through, and so I got a little enamel pin for Luke's diner. Come on, focus. There it is. How cute. Got a couple more. I told you I love enamel pens, and these were super cheap. So this is a little pill bottle. It says it's okay if your serotonin is store-bought, and I thought that was just super cute because I am on antidepressants and they are amazing, and so this just, you know, I love it. Next, this I just thought was really pretty, and it's supposed to be like lavender, and you know, lavender is like this calming stuff, but I just thought it was a beautiful pen. So yeah, I got it. And then this one. So growing up in like high school and stuff, I became obsessed with Edgar Allan Poe. Love him to death. And so I saw this pen. If you're a fan, you'll also appreciate it, but it says Nevermore on a black raven. I love it. So got that. Now let's open the second package with my new scissors. I see. I've been excited for this thing. Is this all? No, there's like 2 things in here, I think. Oh, I really hope this feels nice. This is a blanket. Fancy for Temu. I don't know what it's gonna feel like, but it is so cool. Ooh, yay, it's actually soft. Oh my gosh. So it's this blanket that's in the shape of the leaf, I guess the leaves that I'm obsessed with. Okay, I'll have to show you like a faraway image maybe of it on my bed, but it's kind of cool. Not as pretty as it was in the picture, but it's still cute. I can have this on my chair to wrap around me, but I just thought it was cute, and it's green, and I have green accents in my room, so I like it. And it's pretty soft, so I'm happy with this purchase. And I think this is the last one. Hopefully it's not a gift, because that would just ruin this whole thing to end on something I can't show you. They double packaged it. Man, they like boxed and bagged this, and then put it in another bag too. Please don't be a gift. I want to be able to show you what this is. Maybe. Oh, I remember. Yay, I can show you. This is also something I'll have to show you once I have it up and running. Oh gosh. I'll have to figure out. That didn't take too long. It is a moon lamp. I think this will look so nice at night. Like this, and then it lights up and it looks like the moon. Oh my goodness, I'm excited. I have purchased one of these from like Amazon for one of my sister-in-laws like way back in the day, like 7 years ago, and it looked really nice. This isn't quite as nice and not quite as realistic moonlight, but it is still really good for how cheap it was and it being from Temu. But it has all like the bumps on it and everything, and then it glows up really nice and pretty. And yeah, yay. I don't know where I'll have this, probably on maybe on that side table. Might look cute at night, just glowing away. Yay! So I have some other Shein and Temu hauls here if you want to binge a little bit, but if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps support my channel, and thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.